Are you a brave man, sir?
Show me your passport.
Sir, my passport is my passport is I'm not. Sir, pre, saan ba yung
Show
passport
me
ko?
your passport
This is
now
my
before
human
I
rights,
arrest
sir.
you.
No, sir, why you arrest me? I don't have any violation. I don't have any violation, so
Just show your passport now.
ngaw. Tingnan mo, banatan kita dyan eh. Napipi ko na ako eh. Napipi ko na ako eh. Ano pre, banatan ko na to pre. Napipi ko na ako dito
I
eh.
don't understand Indian. Show your passport.
The fuck, I'm not India, bro. I'm not India. I'm from Philippines, bro. The fuck, what you're talking? I don't want to show my passport.
Show me your
I'm from
passport.
Philippines.
I need to see your passport. This is
Why you need to see my passport? I don't have any violation, bro.
It is my duty to show me your passport.
No, your duty is to protect us, bro. Hey sir, putang ina mo sir, putang ina mo. In my language is just sorry. It's sorry. Can you say putang ina mo?
Okay, go.
Can you say putang ina mo? Say putang ina mo.
Putay na mo.
Yeah. Ang ina. Yeah, you are good in the Filipino language, sir. Ah. You want to learn?
No,
You want to
I'm
learn
not
more?
a Philippine. I'm just trying.
Yes. You want to learn more, brother? Yeah, we're nice here. We are now friends.
No,
Diba?
Philippine is so hard.
Can you say bading ako? Can you say bading ako?
Pati ako.
Ayusin. Just try it more, sir. Bading ako.
What does that mean?
It's mean I'm handsome. It's mean I'm handsome.
Wow, that's nice.
Yeah, can you say bading ako? Bading ako.
Pati ako.
Gun. Sir, he have gun. He shot me. Here, he shot me. Sir, he have gun, sir. Sir, he have gun, sir. He shot me, sir. Tangina mo, barilan. Barilan na. Tangina mo, barilan. Okay, sir. Go, sir. We have hostage, sir. Don't move. We have hostage, sir. Comply. Sir, the fuck, you are not complying, sir. We have hostage. Don't move. The fuck, pre, barilin mo, pre. Barilin mo. Gago ka, bobo. Ina mo. Uliin mo pa ako. Tingnan niya, mga bobo. Tuntukan, marmano. O gago na yan. Tingnan na ito, oh.
Suntukan mano-mano. Kaya
Ano,
teenager kasi nga gusto niya suntukan mano-mano nga.
Gago, tanan na, suntukan, marmano. Tingnan nyo. Gago, pre, biya ito, pre. Opo, tangin na nyo, gago. Tingnan nyo, habol, mga bobo. Fuck the polisiya, bro. Tingnan nyo, mga bobo. Gago, sakay, pre. Gago ko, pre. Tingnan mo, sakay. Gago. Tingnan mo, bobo mo. Hey, fuck you. Hey, fuck you, madam doctor. Tingnan nyo, sundukan, mano, gago. Ay, putang ina, ano yun? Ba't na-teaser ako? Sir, I'm just complaining. Gago, pre, atras ka.
Takbo, pre. Takbo.
Gago, pre. Tingnan nyo, mga bobo. Tingnan nyo.